most of the people are pretty much aware of Ramoji Film City in Hyderabad. It actually falls on National Highway 65, which goes from Hyderabad to Vijayawada. From there, the site of Var Venkateswara temple would be in between 1 to 1.5 hours of journey.
Yeah, for 45 days, regularly havans and all were done here, and after that, now we are taking it forward in this land to build the um, temple of Lord Var Venkateswara Swamy. So around this, yeah, we are trying to acquire 2 or 3 more acres of land, so that it becomes quite big enough to have even Gaushala, and also to have Bhojan Shala and all that. In addition to a regular temple, because here vratas also happen. The vratas of 7 Saturdays of Lord Venkateshwara also happens. So especially on Saturdays, we expect around some 100 to 200 kind of people or couples sitting here and then doing that vratam. So because of that, we are trying to acquire this big of land. That's the highway, a little beyond 500 meters. It's just 500 meters, it seems. That's the highway. 500 meters away from the highway of this NH65 that goes from Hyderabad to Vijayawada, or Vijayawada to Hyderabad. So that's where it is located. The village name is Pamangundla. This is the land. This is the land of 2 acres. That's donated or being given by this gentleman who is helping us with this temple. And yeah, we are now we are trying to acquire 2 or 3 more acres of land here, and then build this temple. And he is the one who has got the directions from the divine to construct the temple of Lord Venkateshwara here. So he's been thinking about it, and he had the dream of it. And after that, he happened to meet us, and then we took it forward. We took it forward in such a way that first we installed Sri Satyanarayana Swamy here. In the month of April, we did the Sthapana of Satyanarayana Swamy in the northeast corner of the land. With the intention that it would further expand. So in a small way we did it though, and then for 45 days or so, some kind of havans and all were done here. అన్న వేయండి. గోవిందా గోవిందా గోవిందా. Yeah, for 45 days, regularly havans and all were done here. And after that, now we are taking it forward in this land to build the temple of Lord Var Venkateswara Swamy. The deity of Var Venkateswara is very peculiar because it's come out of the essence of the love of Sri Venkateswara and Sri Mahalakshmi, with the intention of giving boons to the devotees who have the need of prosperity or who have the problems in their lives. If you chant their mantra like Om Shri Var Venkateswara Namaha, you will be able to overcome your problems. And in case you chant this mantra and if you see any developments and things like that, please try to donate here so that the grace from the deity would be more on your side. Namaste.